Okay, welcome to ProFrame 2015 training videos. In this video, we're going to take a look at discounting and how to set those files up and how it works. So let's get started. I'm going to go to System and I'm going to drop down to Discounts. So I've got basically three types of discounting table other than discounting for an individual customer, which I'll show you that later. But I have discount, what's called discount class. I have what's called global discounts and on sale discounts. Now obviously on sale discounts is when I'm going to have sales going on. Global discounts is a global across the board discounting structure that every customer gets. Okay? The discount class is what I'm going to look at first. So a discount class basically allows me to set up different classes. For example, I got like gold discount structure, platinum, silver, buyers. Okay, these are just some examples. Now let's just take a look at gold. So I'm going to double click this guy and that's my description. Then I'm going to click on the discount tab at the top. So now I can set up discount structures that I'm calling gold discounts. I'm just going to simply edit this guy, okay, by double clicking. So this is based on a vendor. It's American Cardboard Company. Plus it's only matte boards, but it's actually alpha matte. So this discount structure only applies to that vendor, matte boards, and it has to be an alpha matte. Okay? And what I'm doing at this point is telling the program that it's based on a percentage. It's a percentage type discounting. I've got cost plus and a markup. Okay? So because I'm doing that and I've selected a standard unit product, then it then allows me to set up my discount breaks level 1 through 5. So I got 8% if they buy 25 or more, 10% if they buy 50 or more, and so on. 12%, 100, 15, 250, and 25, 500. Now I can go as far as I want to or less as I want to. In other words, I wouldn't necessarily have to have level 5 or level 4 or level 3. I could just use level 1 and 2. But I wouldn't want to set up level 1 and then skip 2 and then jump to 3 because that's not going to work. The system works from level 1 to 5. Okay? And it'll take the best discount that's available for that customer. Okay? I have a discount time frame. This started in 2009 and it'll go through 2059. So it is possible to set a time frame there. And normally in this type of discount class, I really want that to be wide open. I never want it to turn off automatically. Normally you use that if you're doing like a on sale discount. That's where you would utilize the start and stop feature of the program. Now as you can see, I've basically got two lines. Now this can be as many as you need. This could be, 25 or 30 different discounting structures that not just covering matte boards, okay, but covering molding. Okay, I don't even have molding on here, but I could easily put a molding here. See, I'm going to do that. I'm just going to add and put a molding product here. So when I click add, I'm going to say, I'm just going to tell it to do all vendors. So now it's not going to be dependent on a certain vendor. I'm saying all vendors. Okay. Now I'm going to select the molding, and I'm going to go ahead and select wood molding. Okay. Then my time frame defaulted to January 23rd today, and it added basically, as you can see, it added 50 years to it by default. Okay, now I'm going to set my percent, but because it's a molding product, I'm going to have to tell it, well, this is chops. Okay? So then I'm going to say, 5% if they get 10 or more chops. Well, let's make it 5. So we're going to give them 5% on 5 chops or more. Then we're going to go to 8% if they get 10 chops or more. Now that's good enough. I got 2 levels for chops for that molding. So at this point I can just click apply. Okay? And then I would basically go back to my master when I'm done, and then I would click apply again, and then I would do a save all. Okay? Now that's the gold that I just worked on. Now I could do platinum. See, platinum's set up differently. Okay? In fact, I had molding on my platinum. Well, I didn't mean to quit out of that. Okay, so here's my discounts. Now let's look at global. Well, global is essentially the same thing, but it's not a list of a bunch of different global entries like the discount class was, because it's not necessary. There's only one global discounting structure. Okay, and again, this is the same thing except it's global, and it pretty much would cover every customer that you have would get this particular discount, which essentially, if they buy from this Crescent vendor any mat, no matter what the sub is, it's going to be 5%, 25, 8, 50, 10, 100. Okay, see, that's how that's going to work. If I looked at on sale, it's really the same identical thing, except it's on sale rather than being one of the others. So this is where I would want to utilize the discount time frame so that I could actually put a discount in the system, set the time, the start and stop, and then it will automatically handle that for me. So it may run for 1 month, and then it automatically will shut off, and it'll stay in your system. So that later on, all you have to do is come in and say, hey, I'm going to put this back on sale, and then just simply change your time frame. So I could come in and set it, November 20th, and then we'll run through. Okay. So now, basically, I can apply that and then save it, and save it all out, and then this same thing will go on sale at a different time without me having to re-enter it all. Okay. All right, I'm going to close out of that. Now I want to show you how the discount structure, the discount class, ties into a customer. If I go to ship to and I edit this customer, nope, that's not where it is. It's actually back at the billing. It's actually on, that's it, it's on my discount tab. See how I got a discount class? Well, this guy's on platinum. See, that was the gold that I showed you, but he's on platinum. So this customer takes on the platinum discount structure. And so this allows me, well, you can see how this would allow you to have one discount structure that you would manipulate and change and not have to worry about each individual customer that's assigned to that platinum. It'll just simply pick that structure up for this particular customer. Now what I can do, because I have almost the same discounting screen here, I have the ability for an individual customer, I can set up a specialized, unique discount structure for this customer only. Okay? I could come in and say, look, this customer only, if they buy designer molding, okay, and it's a wood molding, if they buy that, I'm going to change this to length. then I can come in and set that up for this customer and simply say, look, this customer gets 10% if they buy one or more in length. One or more foot in length, they automatically get 10%. Okay? Now that will only apply to this customer only. Now he's got platinum and he's also got this one. So what happens is this customer, this one that I just set up, actually has priority over all the others, as long as it's the better discount. Okay? So the priority basically is customer, discount class, I think on sale, or global. There's a priority, but essentially what the program's going to do, it's going to keep the best possible discount for this customer during order entry based on all these different discount tables that are involved with that product that you're selling them. Okay? Now that's how that works. So that's how a customer's tied to the discounting structure. And that pretty much concludes this video. Thanks for watching.